Hi, welcome back. I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Buzzing Trends Show. The S&P ASX200 index is lower today, dropping 76.40 points to 7,020.60. That's at 11:57 this morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time. 10 of 11 sectors are lower today, along with the S&P ASX200 index. The information technology sector is the best performing sector, gaining 1.88% and is rebounding from its recent decline. Let's have a look at the first big news today. Few highlights from the federal budget 2021 were announced yesterday. It was announced after observing the way Australia successfully managed the pandemic that the Australian economy is recovering strongly from its first ever recession in the last 30 years. To facilitate the reopening of the economy, the government will invest $1.9 billion through COVID-19 vaccination strategy. For further reducing the unemployment rate, the government will continue to provide support to Australian households and businesses by tax relief measures. The government also guaranteed high quality and sustainable services to its most vulnerable communities by keeping aside $17.7 billion to transform the aged care system and another $2.3 billion for mental health and suicide prevention. A lot of the focus is also made on women's safety, women's economic security, and also on their health and well-being. There's around $3.4 billion put aside for various female-focused schemes. Moving on to some ASX-listed stocks now. The Commonwealth Bank reported cash profit of $2.4 billion for its third quarter due to an increase in lending to businesses. The CBA has multinational banks with businesses across the UK, the US, New Zealand and Asia. Their profit was higher than the first quarter result, and the federal budget measures announced yesterday are looked upon as positive and supportive in business lending. Moving on now, the announcement in the federal budget of not increasing the excise duty on tobacco for September 2021 will lead company Metcash to take the $10 million earning hit. Metcash is an Australian conglomerate company distributing and marketing groceries, fresh produce, alcoholic beverages and hardware. For financial year 2022, Metcash estimated that the net adverse impact in the food pillar of no increase in tobacco excise in September 2021 is 10 million EBIT. Moving on now to carsales.com. They're an online marketplace for marine classifieds, motorcycle and automotive businesses in Australia. The company is raising $600 million to finance the purchase of 49% stake in Trader Interactive. That's a US branded marketplace platform. The deal shall value Trader Interactive at $2.07 billion on an enterprise value. The purchase would give carsales.com an opportunity to grow and diversify internationally and to also expose the company to vehicles in the larger US market. That's all from me for now. Stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more live market updates. We'll be back with more news on the markets, the economy and diverse themes and sectors. Apart from the regular market updates, we're also going to provide an in-depth coverage for the post-budget analysis. So stay tuned to Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.